Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the extended front post quad stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, you will need to know how to make the quad stitch, and you will need to know how to make the extended quad stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I used regular double crochet stitches. On the row that I'm currently working, I made 5 chains, and then I made a regular extended quad stitch in this first stitch right here. So I'm ready to make my first front post extended quad stitch. So the first thing you're going to do, yarn over your hook 3 times. You're then going to insert your hook into the front of your work towards the back, in between these 2 stitches, the one that you just worked and the one that you would normally work into. And then you're going to take it behind that next stitch, so it's going to poke out the other side towards the front of your work. You're then going to grab that yarn you're working with, you're going to pull it through and around that stitch. You're then going to yarn over, take that yarn through only 1 loop, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. And that's one extended front post quad stitch made. I'm going to make a regular extended right here in this next stitch. Okay, so again, start by yarning over your hook 3 times. You're going to insert your hook in between these stitches right here, these 2, the one that you just worked into, and then the one that you would normally work into next. You're going to poke it into the front towards the back, and then wrap it around the back of that next stitch, and it's going to poke out the front again. Grab that yarn, pull it through and around. Of course, this one's going to give me grief. There we go. Yarn over, take that yarn through only 1 loop, yarn over, take that yarn through 2, yarn over, take that yarn through 2, yarn over, take that yarn through 2, yarn over, take that yarn through 2. I'm going to do 1 regular extended right here. Yarn over 3 times, insert your hook in between the stitch that you just worked and the one you want to work. And then take it around the back of that next stitch. It's going to poke out the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through and around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take that yarn through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take that yarn through 2 loops. 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 Regular extended in the next one. The reason I am doing regular extended stitches in between these front posts is I want to show the difference of how the front posts are sort of raised, and then the regular ones are sort of recessed into the work, so you can see the texture that it's making. Alright, we're going to do our next front post one. Yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook in between this stitch that you just worked and the one that you want to work. And then you're going to take it around behind that next stitch, and it's going to poke out the other side. Grab that yarn, pull it through and around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take that through only 1 loop. Yarn over, take that through 2. 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 Regular extended right here. Regular extended right here. regular extended right here. And then this is going to be my last extended front post one of this row. So yarn over 3 times. Insert your hook in between these 2 stitches right here. Then it's going to go in the back of that next stitch that you would normally work into. It's going to poke out the other side of that stitch. You're going to grab that yarn you're working with and pull it through and around the back of that stitch. Yarn over, take that through 1 loop only. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops. 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 Regular extended in the last stitch right here to finish out my row. So this is what the front of your work is going to look like. You can see the front post stitches are raised. And then this is what the back of your work is going to look like. There is a little raised ridge right here from working around those stitches. And that is going to be how to make the extended front post quad stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.